Got a video with hard-coded subtitles you can't remove? Maybe it's an anime clip, movie scene, TikTok repost, or downloaded MP4 file. Cropping the video just ruins the quality. But now, AI can remove subtitles automatically. And honestly, this is probably the easiest method I've tested. So, if you want clean videos without cropping, try it free. First link in the description below. So in this video, I'll show you how to remove hard-coded subtitles from videos using AI with Edimakor. It works for MP4, MKV, movie clips, anime edits, YouTube videos, and more. And the best part? You don't need complicated editing skills or frame-by-frame masking. So in this video, I'll show you how to remove hard-coded subtitles from videos using AI with Edimakor. It works for MP4, MKV, movie clips, anime edits, YouTube videos, and more. And the best part? You don't need complicated editing skills or frame-by-frame masking. All right, so first of all, you need to click the link given in the description and visit their website. And as you can see, there are a lot of tools available here. Even in the video editing section, there are many useful tools. For example, the video editor gives you a complete beginner-friendly editing experience. You can reverse videos, do speed ramping, video masking, and many more things like video generation and motion tracking, etc. After that, there are also a lot of AI tools, such as AI avatar, image to video, AI talking photo, watermark remover, and many more features. All right, so to remove hard-coded subtitles from a video, we'll click here and download it. And once it's downloaded, we'll run the file and install it. And after that, it will simply open up and you can see there are a lot of features. It's honestly a paradise for video editors and content creators, trust me. All right, before moving forward, you should sign in with your account first. So let me quickly click here and sign in. All right, I've signed in now. To remove hard-coded subtitles, we'll click on the AI toolbox and then you'll find all the tools here. We're gonna choose the watermark remover tool. Once you click it, a new window will open. Here, you can remove watermarks from both videos and photos. You'll also see the results of your previous projects here. The maximum video duration supported is up to 1 hour, and you can upload up to 10 files at once. Since we only have one video right now, we'll simply select the video from which we want to remove the watermark or subtitles. Then you'll see that the video has been successfully imported here. If you want to remove a watermark, keep this option selected. And if you want to remove subtitles, select this option from here. After that, you'll notice a rectangle box appearing on the screen. We just need to adjust and place it properly over the subtitles so that all of them are covered. And once that's done, let's click on Start and the process will begin. And after clicking Remove, it will take a little time to analyze the video and then remove the subtitles. Once the process is finished, the video will be downloaded automatically. Now when we click on it, you can see the video has opened, and just look at this. It removed the hard-coded subtitles so perfectly without reducing the video quality at all. It honestly doesn't even look like there were subtitles on this video before. I'm genuinely in love with this tool. All right, so now let's close this and we can try something even more interesting. So let's head over to the AI tools section. And as you can see, there are a lot of tools available here. So here you can see features like video downloader, screen recorder, image to video, AI dance, and many more tools. There's also AI shorts and a lot of other useful stuff. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also find audio tools, image tools, and text tools. There are honestly so many features available here. But for now, let's use the video generator. So we'll click on it and this window will open up. Here, you'll get a lot of different AI video generation options. We're gonna use the store to video feature, but you can use whichever one you want depending on your needs. So first, I'll paste my story here. Then from here, you can choose the style for your video. There are many different styles available, but according to my story, I'll just go with the first one since it looks good enough. After that, you can also set the video duration to something much longer, but for now, I'll keep it at 30 seconds because we're just testing it. And once everything is set up, we'll click on Start. Now, we just wait a little and let HitPaw Edimakor do its magic. And now you can see that it's asking us to create characters as well. So from here, you can create both of the characters from your story, the main character and the other character. You can click on Create Character and customize everything properly, but I'm just gonna click on Batch Create Character so it can generate them automatically for me. If you wanna change anything later, you can always edit it. So as soon as we click it, you'll notice that it has started generating the characters. And honestly, this tool keeps surprising me again and again with its features. But yeah, let's wait for the characters to finish generating and then we'll continue. All right, as you can see, both of our characters have now been generated, and I'm pretty happy with how they look. So now we'll click on Next, and it has started generating the project. And now you can see that it has properly organized the entire story, script by script, into a 3-4 second video. It's giving everything scene by scene. And if you want, you can still edit or change things. From here, you can choose different models, characters, and many other settings as well. So now I'll simply click on AI Generate, and it will start generating the scenes. As you can see, it has already created the first scene as an image. If you want, you can generate them as videos too, but for now, I'm just using images. After that, I'll generate images for all the remaining scenes in the same way. All right, now all the images for our scenes have been generated. If you want, you can click here to add audio and then generate it. I'll quickly do the same for the rest of the scenes as well. And now the voice generation is also done. You can also click on the second option here to change the background music and manage the volume levels too. So let me quickly choose a nice creepy sound effect, and done, our background music is ready as well. And finally, from here, we can design the subtitles. I'm gonna choose this style right here, and done. Now, let's watch the full video. So let's play it.
A man wakes up at exactly 3:17 a.m. because of his phone vibrating non-stop beside him. Half asleep, he grabs it and notices something strange. He has received a voicemail from his own number. Confused, he plays the voicemail. "Don't open the door no matter what happens." He nervously laughs it off, thinking it's some kind of glitch or prank. But a few seconds later, someone starts knocking downstairs. Slow, heavy. 3 knocks. The entire house goes silent after that. He walks toward the window and checks the security camera feed on his phone. A tall figure is standing outside the front door, completely still. But the face is blurred, not hidden, missing. His breathing gets heavier as the knocking starts again. This time louder and more aggressive. Bang, bang, bang. Suddenly, another voicemail appears from his own number. He presses play with trembling hands. This time the voice is panicking. "If you're hearing this, you're too late. You already opened the door." At that exact moment, the bedroom door behind him slowly creaks open by itself, and the figure from outside is no longer on the camera feed.
Wow, that's actually so awesome. You can see how well it created everything automatically. And honestly, if you spend a little more time on it, you can make something even cooler, and the final video will turn out even better. Use Edimakor, the best subtitle remover now. The link is in the video description.